In a world where gut health is essential for overall well-being, a team of dedicated medical professionals embarked on a mission to revolutionize digestive health. After years of extensive research and clinical studies, they unveiled a groundbreaking solution. Abdomax, the ultimate dietary supplement to restore and optimize your gut health. Join us on a journey to discover the power of Abdomax. Abdomax was born out of a relentless pursuit to provide the world with a natural remedy for gut health issues. The team of medical professionals discovered that low pepsinogen levels were a major cause of poor gut health. In fact, those with good gut health had 400% more active and stimulated pepsinogen than those suffering from digestive woes. Pepsinogen, a vital molecule produced by your body, plays a crucial role in breaking down food and facilitating digestion. It keeps your colon lubricated, protects the small intestine from harmful microbes, and ensures optimal gut function. Abdomax's innovative formula was crafted based on this very principle, boosting your gut health by enhancing pepsinogen levels. But how does Abdomax work? This remarkable dietary supplement harnesses the power of nature to increase pepsinogen levels in your body. Its unique formula is packed with a range of prebiotic ingredients that fuel the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, the very bacteria that support digestion and maintain a healthy gut environment. Abdomax eliminates harmful bacteria from your colon, promoting a balanced and thriving gut microbiome. Rich in fiber, Abdomax stimulates digestion and prevents constipation, ensuring your digestive system operates at its best. It's not just a supplement, it's a game changer for your gut health. Let's take a closer look at the natural ingredients that make Abdomax a potent force in optimizing your digestive health. Oat bran, packed with soluble fiber, absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance that adds bulk to your stools, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. But that's not all. Its prebiotic fibers nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, creating an environment that supports digestion and strengthens your immune system. Derived from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, psyllium husk is another superstar ingredient in Abdomax. Its soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, bulking up your stool and facilitating healthy bowel movements. Whether you struggle with constipation, bloating, or gas, psyllium husk has got you covered. Picture yourself in a serene black walnut grove. These magnificent trees offer more than just beauty. They're a rich source of antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your gut and protect against oxidative stress. Black walnuts also promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, improve digestion, and support weight loss. It's nature's gift for a healthy gut. Flax seeds, small yet mighty, offer remarkable benefits for your gut health. Their mucilage, a gel-like substance, lubricates your digestive system, promoting healthy bowel movements. Enzymes within flax seeds aid in the digestion and absorption of nutrients, ensuring your body receives all the goodness it needs. And finally, we enter a lush plum orchard. Plums, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, are essential for your gut health. Their fiber regulates bowel movements, while the nutrients nourish your gut and support a healthy digestive system. Embrace the deliciousness of plums and reap the rewards of a thriving gut. The scientific data backing Abdomax is undeniable. Research shows that the gel-like substance created by psyllium husk can slow stomach emptying, leaving you feeling fuller for longer and supporting your weight loss journey. Additionally, psyllium husk has been proven to lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and improving cardiovascular health. The benefits of consuming Abdomax are plentiful. Let's explore some of the major advantages this extraordinary supplement offers. First and foremost, Abdomax boosts your digestive health. With its proprietary formula of 9 potent exotic nutrients and plants, Abdomax has been clinically proven to improve gut health. It enhances your metabolic rate by increasing pepsinogen production, ensuring efficient breakdown of food and the elimination of toxins. Experience a revitalized gut and unleash your full potential. But that's not all. Abdomax supports the process of weight loss. Its powerful ingredients, including bentonite clay, help induce healthy weight loss by burning excess fat layers and improving your metabolic rate. With a blend of prebiotics and antioxidants, Abdomax curbs cravings, supports healthy digestion, and helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Maintaining healthy glucose blood levels is crucial, and Abdomax is here to help. The inclusion of oat bran in its formula aids in controlling excessive glucose levels. This soluble fiber with high beta-glucan content improves insulin sensitivity, ensuring your blood sugar remains balanced. Abdomax goes even further. It boosts nutrient absorption. Its vital ingredients ensure that all the vitamins, minerals, and prebiotics you consume are easily absorbed by your body. Experience optimal health as Abdomax unlocks the full potential of the nutrients you provided. To reap the benefits of Abdomax, simply take 3 capsules daily with your meals. Consistency is key. Make Abdomax an integral part of your healthy diet and regular exercise routine. Your journey to optimal gut health starts here. We stand behind the power of Abdomax, which is why we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, even after using Abdomax regularly, you can easily claim a refund. Join the Abdomax revolution and unlock the secret to gut health. Experience the transformative power of Abdomax today. Abdomax, a new chapter in your gut health journey. Order your Abdomax package now and unlock a world of possibilities. Choose your package below.